In this video, I'll show you how to change your Chase debit card PIN number quickly and safely using the Chase app or online banking. This is useful if you've forgotten your PIN, want to update it for security reasons, or just want something easier to remember. First, open the Chase app or go to the Chase website and log into your account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, select the account linked to the debit card whose PIN you want to change. Next, tap on the Manage Account option, then select Manage PIN. You'll be prompted to enter your 16-digit debit card number for verification. Once you submit this information, Chase will process your request. After submitting, your new PIN will be mailed to your registered mailing address within 5 to 7 business days. This ensures that your PIN remains secure and only you can access it. Once you receive it, you can start using your new PIN at ATMs or for in-person purchases. And that's it. Changing your Chase debit card PIN is simple and secure. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.